Worried a stolen password could expose your entire Wrike workspace? You can secure your account in under 3 minutes with two-step verification. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, from your profile icon to the final verification, including how to pair the Microsoft Authenticator app. Click your profile icon. Then, from that menu, click Settings. Now, simply click on Enable to proceed with the setup. Choose Microsoft Authenticator for Windows. Once selected, click Continue to move on. Paste the copied secret key into the Authenticator app. Paste the Authenticator code into the field. Next, type your password to confirm your identity. Finally, click Verify, and that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.